This is my motor-driven dragster. It has a 2-speed clutch right here. You change it by taking this white handle and moving it over on the other side of this red piece, and just drop it back. The reason why it's a 2-speed because of the gear ratios. This one is a faster gear ratio than this one. We tweaked it from the stock one, from a stock gear ratio to a faster gear ratio from the motor to this gear. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the first speed and the slowest speed on it. And here we go. It's pretty slow, but once we change the speed on it, it'd be a lot faster. It doesn't.
Let me flip it. Send
Okay,
it back to you.
here we go. So this is the faster speed. Push the switch forward.
Okay, there you go. Ready?
Okay, this is the faster speed and audio. Here we go.